I am going to read my boyfriend baby names that I've picked out. And they all start with L's because our daughter Lily is L, and I feel like this baby should be an L. Do we agree upon L?
I mean, I'm set on L.
You like L?
I am, yeah, I'm not entertaining other non-L names at this stage.
Okay, so we're at least agree on the first letter.
Yeah, we've made it that far.
Look how cute these are! Little baby Crocs. I don't even like Crocs, but these are cute. He's the Croc man. Okay, let's get into the names. Baby girl names. We have Lux.
No. L-U-X?
E.
L-U-X.
We have Lane, L-A-Y-N-E.
No.
London.
That's okay.
I like that.
Yeah.
I like London. Luna.
It's been done.
It's pretty. Lavender.
Lavender is as LA as I will get. I would go as far as lavender.
I think Lavender's cute, but then people will be like, she's the crazy purple lady that also named her kid Purple.
Yeah, but I think that's fine.
But that's probably okay, because Lavender's really
okay.
cute. Okay, well, that's actually all I have for L's. I had more. Pearl.
No.
It's actually a family name. And it's also shiny.
No.
Star.
No.
I like Star.
I don't like Star at all.
Moon.
No.
Sky.
No.
Cloud. I'm
Cloud.
kidding. I'm joking. I'm not. Not that you even know that I'm joking after I said
Nimbus.
Star and Moon.
Stratus.
Chanel.
No.
I think that's pretty. When I said Chanel, Lily was like, ooh, I like that name. Meadow.
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Come here, Meadow.
Lavender Meadow.
Meadow, clean your room. Meadow.
Isla with an I.
That's fine.
Like Isla Fisher.
Yeah, well, she's Australian.
Okay, yeah, I like her.
Yeah.
And her husband. I like them both.
Yeah.
Noelle.
They broke up. I know. Can you believe that?
And Borat?
Yeah. Yeah, they got divorced. Doesn't that suck? They're great. I know. I love them together. Yeah.
I'm upset.
I know.
I don't know why, but I'm upset.
Yeah.
Noelle, like the movie Noelle, 2
Fine.
L's. I like that.
Yeah.
Amethyst.
Absolutely never. Ever.
Really?
No.
Amethyst?
No,
Okay.
no.
So if it was amethyst or lavender.
I would lean towards lavender in that scenario. Yeah, amethyst is just not. It's not name material for me. No.
Let's move on to boy names. These are boy names with an L. London. Again. London is going to go.
London works.
London is fluid.
It's also the last city we were in before this baby was conceived.
Our favorite city. Leo.
Family name.
Family name and
Also
cute L.
Cute. Could potentially be Leo King, which means Lion King, which I would be fine with.
Or we can pronounce it Leo.
No.
With the little over the E.
Why don't you learn what that thing is called first, and then you can decide a baby name with the little.
Leonardo.
Well, I
mean-
am torn as to whether if it was Leo, if I would go for Leonardo, because I kind of feel like
We're
would.
not Italian. Isn't it Italian? We're not Italian.
I guess,
but it's still. Is that okay?
I don't care.
Luca with a K. L-U-K-A.
No.
I thought that was cute. Luca with a C.
What's the
L-U-C-A.
name? What's the name? No. What's the name where you think it's like a hunky, gorgeous name?
Gavin. I always thought Gavin was like a hot guy's name.
And I think Gavin works in IT and is here to fix your server. That's what I think. Gavin is just straight up like nerd IT computer dog.
I thought Gavin was like Baywatch.
And you think he's a firefighter.
Yeah, whatever.
It's not going to be Gavin.
Shirtless.
Right, okay. It's not going to be Gavin. Go on.
Lincoln.
Wasn't that your mom's contribution?
Yeah, my mom, she said Abraham Lincoln. And I'm like, well, I'm not going to name the kid Abraham Lincoln.
We're not going to do that.
Lennox. L-E-N-O.
Lennox?
Not Lennox. Lennox.
No, because there's a bogan town in Australia called Lennox Head.
You're kidding. Now we're going to move on to the internet. L names for girls and then L names for boys.
Okay.
Now we're going to move on to the internet. L names for girls and then L names for boys.
Okay.
Leilani.
No.
Lydia.
No.
Lucy.
No.
Lila.
Lila's sweet, although
I like the name.
I do prefer Leela.
Leela. That's right. Leela.
Leela.
I love Lila, but we know a lot of Lilas.
We know
that are Lily
Lila's,
names.
yeah, but Leela would be on my shortlist. And I only know one Leela.
That is true. I only know one
Yeah.
Leela, which I do like. I love her and I love her name.
Yeah. Is that London with a Y?
Oh yeah, London. Londyn. London with a Y-N.
Okay.
Luciana.
No.
Legacy.
Absolutely not. This is my daughter, Legacy King.
Lyric.
I need to know, by the way, from the people watching this, what are some of the worst kid names that you've heard? When I was trick-or-treating the other day with Lily, Mom goes, Magnolia!
That's very southern.
I thought that was too far. Not
Well, the other
Magnolia.
really southern name that I actually really like, that's very unusual, it's Clementine.
No.
I think it's really cute.
Call it Mandarin, call it Banana, Clementine, no.
Love. I like Love. Love's a good middle name.
Yeah.
Loyal.
Loyal? Me loyal.
That's hard to say. Loyal.
Loyal. Loyal.
Lenore. Nora.
No.
Lakeland.
No.
Luz.
Luz?
Luz? L-U-Z? Luz? No, like that. Liberty.
Yeah, the baby's name is Liberty. Liberty.
Liberty, Loyal, and what was the other one? The other L. Liberty. Oh, Liberty, Loyal, and Legacy. I bet someone has named all three of their kids that before. Okay. Lisbeth.
Lisbeth.
Take off the E.
Lisbeth.
And just Lisbeth.
No.
Lotus.
Lotus?
Lotus. The flower.
Yeah.
I've never thought of that. Lotus. It doesn't roll off the tongue like I would like it to. Like lily is a little, lotus is a little harder.
It's okay though.
Lotus.
I am surprisingly not as turned off by
You're
that
not
one.
offended.
No, I don't think that's too far for some reason.
Lotus. Okay. There's so many. Lean. L-E-E-N. I've
Lean?
never heard of that.
Lean.
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 Never heard of that.
No.
Lavinia.
No.
That doesn't sound like a. It's pretty. Lynx.
Lynx?
There's a
Lynx.
L-Y-N-X. Lars.
No.
You say it.
No.
Say it like an Australian.
Lars. 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 Lars.
See, I would say Lars and you go
Lars.
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 That's horrible.
Lars. This is my
It's horrible with your accent.
boy or girl. Doesn't matter.
I'm pretty sure it was going to be on
My
the boy
son
list
Lars.
too.
Lars. Lars, get in the car. Yeah, right. No.
Horrible, horrible. Okay. Laurentina. I've never heard of that before.
Absolutely not.
Laurentina. Lawrence.
No.
L-O-U-R-E-N-C-E.
But Lawrence is Larry, and we already said Larry King.
No.
It's not going to be Larry King.
No, we're not doing Larry King. Lulu.
Cute, but
It's cute.
no, we know Lulu.
I know, and she's so sweet. Liz. L-I-Z-Z.
I don't like unnecessary.
Consonants.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like Lily, L-I-L-Y. If you're a 2L Lily, 3L Lily,
3L Lily would be a lot.
not a fan.
Yeah, but
It's
I think,
silly.
well...
No,
yeah,
I
the
just
lily,
don't
the
like...
lily flower is
Well,
the one L.
and your name is one of the most stupidly spelled names with so many
Ashley.
variations.
So
I'm
many
so
Lees.
grateful you have the one true way of spelling Ashley. Not
The
sorry
way,
to,
the truth, and
not
the light.
sorry to all the Ashleys out there that don't have ASHLEY as their spelling.
There was
for their
only
name.
so many available, and I got one of them. Liesel, Leha, Lauren. So many
What are you
names.
leaning towards?
London and Lavender.
Uh-huh.
And I also like Luna.
Uh-huh. And what are we doing last name wise? Is it
And then I like Lotus.
King if it's a boy, Diana if it's a girl?
Yeah. So let's just jump over to boys' names because
Okay.
they're all starting to sound the same. Okay.
Alright.
Boys' names that start with L from thebump.com. 5 million of them. Levi.
No.
Lorenzo.
No.
Legend.
Yes. Yes. We're done. Video's over.
Legend.
Bye.
We picked it.
Legend. Legend King.
Look, London's in the top. London with the O-N and with the Y-N.
I don't like the
You
YN.
can add an extra N
That's
on the
stupid.
end.
YN is ridiculous. Lionel.
Lionel.
After Lionel Richie.
Lionel. Lucian. Ledger.
Ledger?
Ledger. L-E-D-G-E-R. Louis. Why does that make me laugh? Okay. Larry. Langston.
Langston?
Lachlan.
No.
Lath.
Lathe?
That's hard to say.
Lathe?
L-A-I-T-H. Lathe? Or lathe?
Isn't that a woodworking tool?
I have no idea.
I think a
I
lathe
don't work
is
with
a
wood.
woodworking tool.
Okay. Link. Luther. Leland. Levon. Lexington.
Lexington?
Lexington.
Like Kentucky?
Yes. Okay, and we have Lando. That
Yeah,
sounds like
Lando.
sounds like an Australian name.
I would do Lando.
You would name your child Lando, but that sounds like it's short for something.
Well, Lando's from Star Wars.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Lando Calrissian. That's his name. Lando. You don't meet a lot of Landos. I feel like you should.
I've never met a Lando. I think it would be like short for Landon. You'd be like, hey, little Lando. Lindbergh. Lock. L-O-C-K.
Lock King.
Lock King.
Locking.
Locking. Laurent,
Laurent.
which I like.
Laurent.
Laurent. But how do you pronounce it? Laurent or Laurent?
Laurent. Hey, Laurent.
Yeah.
Laurent. Laurent.
Hey, Laurent.
Hey, Laurent.
Bonjour,
Your
Laurent.
souffle is ready.
Yeah. I don't know. I feel like you would have to go hard on
Hey, Laurent.
Duolingo.
Well, it does have to, that's the thing. It has to sound good in both accents.
As long as it don't have an ah in it, then it would sound okay.
Laurent.
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, as long as it doesn't have
Is that how you
that.
think we sound? Okay. Well, I mean, we do sound like that. Not
No,
really.
it's not bad. It's just
You mean like
that's
Larson?
like that. Like,
Larson.
Yeah.
Hey, Larson.
that's the thing. The biggest
Lysander?
difference. Leopold.
Yeah. Do you know Butters' name in South Park is Leopold? It
No.
is. Yeah, that's his real name. Butters. Leopold Butters Scotch. Yeah.
Oh, Cartman.
Cartman. Yeah, I would do Cartman. for
Cartman
sure.
King.
Yeah, Cartman. Absolutely, I would do Cartman.
Okay. Lazar. So you can't say that one either in Australian.
Lazar. Lazar. Oh, what's his name? Oh, Larson. Larson. Oh, he's so cute.
Oh,
Oh,
Bubba.
oh, look at the baba. You say cute.
Oh.
Listen. Any
Oh.
normal names?
I mean, there's really not.
Well, we'll see how many people we've offended in this video based off the names that we picked. But if you have any ideas for baby names for
Lawyer.
the upcoming... Lawyer?
See,
It's actually on there.
lawyer.
Lawyer.
See, I say lawyer and you
Lawyer.
say lawyer.
Got
There's so
time?
many. There's 2 more pages.
I'm not interested in going through 2 more pages. Lamario.
Leon.
Leon.
Leons.
Okay.
Leons.
Can we be done?
LaSalle. Pretty.
Lysol?
LaSalle.
LaSalle. L-A-S-A-L-L-E.
LaSalle.
I am not gonna have this child have to explain the spelling of its name its entire life. I promise it that. And it will say, Dad, thank you for not naming me Leverett with 2 T's.
Just a lot of choices.
Oh.
What is the best name you've ever heard and the worst name you've ever heard?
Let us know.
Oh, picking a baby name is hard because it's like a lifer,
Yeah.
you know? Okay.
Okay.
Glad this was a 20-minute video.
See you in the next video.
Okay.